Hello, how are you all guys? Hope all will be fine and doing very good. Welcome to Traders Profit House. Today going to show you yesterday we released the Orion Ventures Profitable Expert Advisor version 3. And this version have a lot of benefits on volatility indexes, not for range break and jump index. You can use on boom and crash step index and volatility other indexes also. So let me show you. Let me open the navigator and look here Orion EA. Let me put on my chart and let's see here. In inputs, look here SL, take profit, and also auto lot size. Okay, and if you wish to multiple martingale, this feature included. And look here, trailing stop, it means that once your account trade in profit, robot will automatically close. Okay, and look here, the Orion EA opened the two trades, and look here, and once the market gives a few pips, the robot will automatically move the stop loss. Look at the arrow, this is the EA which is running and algo trade is enabled, and the below which is showing, let me put the cursor, placed by expert. Okay, not manual, is placed by expert. This means the robot is placing the trades. And now let's see, the profit is coming. Look here, just moving stop loss front of your profit. Look here, stop loss is moving front of your profit, and this is called locking the profit. And now the profit is locked. Okay, and if the market went back, the stop loss will be hit and your profit, and you will be out from this trade. Allocate 0.66 0.54 56 the holding the trades and the moving stop loss continuously. Okay, look at the history what the robot did today. Okay, the robot opened a few trades and other I opened manually. And look here, the trailing stop SL hit